ating first game. So si Kuya Nathan, dito lang siya. Kuya, kakuha naman ng isang kiddie share para kay Kuya Nathan. Okay, last game, kiddie share na lang. Kasi hindi sila, sarili na lang ang kanilang. Okay. Alright, okay, sa first game natin, ang tawag sa ating first game is Longest Voice. Okay, so how do we play Longest Voice? Nandun lang mga kids, you only have to say, Happy Birthday, Nathan! Okay, so hahabaan niyo yung pangalan ni Kuya Nathan, alright? Tapos ika-count ni Kuya Tim, kung ilan yung may pinakamahabang magagawa, yun ang ating river. Alright? Unahin natin ang mga boys. Kuya Eliza. Okay, Aliza. Okay, so Kuya, say happy birthday, Nathan. I'm sorry. Kuya Tim. You line up. Aliza, Eliza, mga boys. I'm very sorry, Ate Eliza. Kaya medyo nagtanong ko sa inyo. Si Kuya Magiti. Wow, okay naman ang inyo, Kuya Magiti. So, Kuya Magiti, say happy birthday, Nathan. Okay. So, are you ready, Kuya? So, yes. So, ready, go. Kuya, like Nathan. Oo. So, gano'n, ha?
Happy birthday, Nathan!
Okay, gano'n na. So, ready, go. Alright. Use it. 2, 1 seconds. Oh, thank you very much, Kuya Magiti. Next, Kuya Lan. So, Kuya Lan, say happy birthday, Nathan. Okay, so ready, go.
Happy birthday, Nathan!
6 seconds. Wow, very good. Next. Sino ang next? Si Kuya Rap. Kuya Rap, say happy birthday, Nathan. Okay, ready, go. Okay, Kuya, kamagaling ko. Iyan si Kuya Rap. Ayan. Okay, o mga, wala na mga boys, o mga girls na this time ang ating subukan. Okay, si Ate Eliza. Ayan. So, ate, say happy birthday, Nathan. Okay, ready, go. Okay. Ayan, meron ba? Ate ulit, so say Nathan. Okay, so ready, go. Okay, mamaya na si Ate Eliza. So, si Ate Ella muna ang ating next. Okay, so Ate Ella, say happy birthday, Nathan. Okay, so ready, go.
Happy birthday, Nathan!
4 seconds. Alright, next. Si Ate Bianca ang next natin. So, Ate Bianca, say happy birthday, Nathan. Okay, ready, go.
Happy birthday, Nathan!
4 also. Okay. Last natin, si Ate Max. Ay, meron pa. So, si Ate Max din ang ating next. Okay, so Ate, happy birthday, Nathan. So, ready, go. Okay, Nathan. Ang sabi niya, happy birthday, Nathan. Si Ate Ray ang next. Okay, so Ate Ray, say happy birthday, Nathan. So, ready, go.
Happy birthday, Nathan!
2, alright. 2 seconds. Next, ang last natin ay si Ate Marian. Okay, Ate Marian yan. So, say happy birthday, Nathan. Okay, ready, go.
Happy birthday, Nathan!
2.
2 also.
Brad, would you like to
Okay.
try?
So, wala na.
Would you like to try?
Si Kuya Ra, come on. Ayan, ayan. Okay, so may winner na po tayo sa ating girls at mga boys. Sino ang ating winner, Kuya T? Pakibigay lang ng prize sa ating mga winner. Ayan ang mga prize natin. Okay. Okay. What else? Sino yung mga naka 4 seconds natin? Si Ate